Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.